Never tried cleaning these, so I just sprayed some of that on there. Let's see how it turns out. It looks really nice. I've never actually used Tire Shine on a tire. I've only ever used it on these bumpers and now these other rubber things. You show them.
Do Papa.
Yep. But now I'm going to actually do the tires. So there you have it. I'm not a very big fan of the look. This looks like plastic basically. But since I did one, now I got to do them all. Plums. So here I am, passenger seat. I'm 6'3", and the seat's all the way back. Plenty of knee room. And my brother, aren't you 6'1" or so?
Yep.
Sitting with the seat all the way forward. He's still got a good 1.5 inch or leg room there. See, plenty of room behind the seat there.